Hello and welcome to the workshop. This is my stall that I want to take to events as I want to start selling my interactive Game Boy cartridges as well as the games that I make, and I think events this year are a good way to get my work out there. But in order for me to do that, I'm going to need one of these, a display stroke stall for people to approach, interact with, and hopefully buy lots of games and cartridges. This is how I've been making it. It's amazing what a bit of lettering and some flashing LEDs can do. They can really make things stand out, and it's making this stall really pop. I love it. I love it. So the idea is that they will select a coloured cartridge, and along here I'll probably have a little menu so they can select a style of game, maybe include a little message on the title screen, and obviously present me with their chosen coloured cartridge. I can then, behind the scenes, prepare all that really quick, load and program the NFC tag in it, package it up, and then hand it back to them. So behind the scenes, I plan to sit here and interact with people through the little window there. It looks a bit messy on this side, but it doesn't really matter because no one's going to see it apart from me. And I've got my little box in my work area that I'm going to hook up with electrics and shelves for parts like cartridges, casing, bags, but also for like phones or maybe even repairs. This could be potentially be quite versatile display. But yeah, the plan is to sit here and wave to people as they go by. Hello. In between the two buckets, I've got this space here, which is designed to be some sort of visual display. Not sure whether it's going to be interactive or not, but some sort of digital visualization of some sort. I found this old cardboard TV. The idea is you put a phone in and then you can display anything on the phone but magnified like it's on an old-fashioned TV, which actually by sheer fluke fits perfectly in it. So I threw together a very quick and basic 3D animation of a Game Boy handheld console, and I'll show you how it turned out. So that's where I am with the project so far. It's gone really well, and I'm so excited actually. I love these sort of projects where I can have a clear goal and the builds are going to be really, really useful. I've really enjoyed this so far. I've really enjoyed working things out, getting things looking nice. I think the trick is to keep things nice and simple. But I'm also tempted to maybe sticker this up a bit more, but I rather like the minimalist look, especially with the retro style writing at the top there. But anyway, this is the Retro Rocket retro game store, and I'll keep you updated of any more progress and updates I make to it. Okay, thanks for watching, subscribe, and take care. Bye-bye.